Hello friends, myself Savita, Patil, Assistant Professor, Government Degree College, Kamalapur. Welcome to the today's session. In my today's class, we shall see the problem on process costing. In my previous class, we have discussed about the theoretical aspects of the process costing. In my today's class, we shall see how the process costing account will be prepared, and one problem also we shall see and discuss. Friends, first of all, let us understand how the process account will be prepared. Here few items are there which we have to consider at the debit side and the credit side. At the debit side we have to consider few items, that is, first we have to take the units produced. First you have to take the units produced, that is the quantity, rate, amount. Quantity into rate into amount, that you have to consider the first at the debit side, that is the unit produced. Then we have to consider the direct materials, direct wages and manufacturing expenses and the abnormal gain. As we used to prepare the trading account, how we used to take, that is a to opening stock, to to purchases less purchase return, like this we have to consider. Here also, here the process, under the process costing we have to consider here first thing, that is the unit produced. This the already we have discussed in the theoretical aspect, that is the process costing will be related to the manufacturing process. It has to go through with the different stages of the stages, that is called as the process. So here we have to consider, that is the first thing, the unit produced, that is the quantity, rate into amount. Then we have to take the direct materials to the outer column, then in the amount column, that is outer means in the amount column. Then we have to consider the wages in the amount column, then the direct expenses, overheads and abnormal gain. Important thing we have to take at the debit side, abnormal gain. These are the few items you have to take at the debit side. Like that, at the credit side, first we have to consider the by abnormal loss. The abnormal loss we have to take into two aspects, that is the normal loss with scrap and the normal loss without scrap. This is the sorry, first thing we have to take at the credit side. Then next we have to consider the abnormal loss. Debit side will take the abnormal gain and credit side we have to take the abnormal loss. Then we have to consider the by output transferred, that is to the warehouse, where we what we have to take by the output transfer to the warehouse, that is output into given percentage we have to consider. This is what the very few items you have to take that at the debit side and the credit side. Whatever may be the difference we will get, that we have to transfer to the next process account. This is what the simple way of preparation of the process account. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ರೇಟ್, ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ವೇಜಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್. ಈ 5 ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2, ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬೈ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬೈ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ ವೇರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಗಿವನ್ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಂದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು transfer to the next process account. This is what the some brief description, that is how we have to prepare the process account. Then next we shall see one small problem based on this. Now this is what here the product has passes through 2, that is the X and Y by stages. By the following information we have to prepare the process account. This is what the problem. It may be for considered for the with the working notes for the 5 to 10 marks. Now let us see what are the information given in the problem. First they have given the input 10,000, rate per unit 4, then the central materials 12,000, then the direct labor 14,000, then the manufacturing expenses 11,000, normal loss 5% on input, then the scrap per unit 2 per unit. This is what the given information. By this we have to prepare the process account. Just now we understood how the process account will be prepared. Now we shall see the solution. First we shall prepare some working notes. What are the essential working notes which are must and should be required for the preparation of the process account, that we shall see one by one. Now let us first working note, that is input loss. Here input loss, how we have to calculate, that is the input loss is equal to input into rate by 100. That is input they have given how much here, 10,000. 10,000 into they have given the percentage 5 by 100, it will be 500 units will get as the input loss. This is the first. Then next will be the normal production. Normal production formula is input minus normal loss, that is 10,000 is input, 500 is the normal loss, will get the 9,500 as the units. These first two are the important working notes we have to prepare. Then by this we can prepare the process account very easily. Now let us prepare the process account. Here the process X account, that is how we have to prepare particulars quantity rate amount. Particulars quantity rate amount. First we have to take two input. Just now I explained you, we have to consider the quantity. They have given the 10,000 quantity. Here the 10,000, they have given the rate for 10,000 into 4 will be 40,000 amount we have to take here. Then next will be the materials. Materials we have to take 12,000, then the direct labor 12,000, then the manufacturing expenses 14,000. We have to enter all the amounts in the process account. Now let us see by the credit side. Here by normal loss with the scrap, that is 500, already we have find out here, this 500 into 2, that is 1,000. Now here by process Y account. Now what we have to do, we shall calculate this normal cost per unit, that is total cost minus scrap value of normal loss divided by normal production. Now what, this is the what, the total cost, that is the 77,000 minus scrap value of NL, that is this is 1,000 divided by 9,500 which we have calculated here. This is what the 8 per unit. Now let us take the by process Y account 9,500, 8 per unit 76,000. Now we'll go for the total. This will be the 10,000, this is 77,000, 10,000, 77,000. In this way we have to prepare the process account. Now let us briefly I will explain in Kannada. That is we have to go, ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 10,000 ಇದೆ, ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 4 ಇದೆ, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ 12,000 ಇದೆ, ಲೇಬರ್ 14,000 ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 11,000 ಇದೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ 5% ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 2 ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟು ರೇಟ್ ಬೈ 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 10,000 ಇದೆ, 10,000 ಇಂಟು 5 by 100 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 500 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ NL, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್, 10,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 500 ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, 9,500 ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 10,000, ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4, 40,000 ಆಯ್ತು. ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ 12,000 ಇದೆ, ಲೇಬರ್ 14,000 ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ 11,000 ಇದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 77,000 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ 500 2 per ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 1,000. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ NL ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ 77,000 minus 1,000 divided by 9,500 will get the 8 per unit. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ will be, we can get the answer. In this way we have to solve the problem under the process account. I think in my today's class you have understood that is how the process account will be prepared, and based on this we have solved one important problem also. If you have liked my lecture, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.